pocket.
Oh.
From Mom and Dad. Trophies! Do it! No one touch my season 4 Hopkins! No one touch! No one touch!
Hand me your paper. Thank you.
Well, Lisa was a big mess, right?
That's right. You're doing good.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy!
Aw.
Yeah. You're the best! Taken from blank.
Those are usually from Santa.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to leave my Hey, look, it's an angry egg.
Yeah.
It's an angry egg. Get an angry egg when they're supposed to be angry birds, get it? That's gonna be another titties in my pocket or a puppies in my pocket. Is this for me again?
Well, that's from Santa.
A fox?
No, a
He's
box.
Just really. But what's in it?
What's in it?
You get another video.
Bring it here.
Come on, don't say it April Fool's
David.
Day.
Here, it should be able to be open.
Bring it here.
More candy in my
Just turn it around. Turn
Let
it.
me see. David.
David,
David, here.
I want more chocolate.
Okay, that's good. Let him open.
I gotta get the ends now.
Let's do it.
More chocolate. Let's see if I get legendary. Legendary.
Oh, there's a baby bottle in there, David.
The bear. Lucky baby. See? Tooth bear. Puppy in my pocket. In my pocket. It looks like this is for. That looks like
For
so
you.
awesome.
That's for you. There's a.
Oh.
It's for you.
Oh my! Ooh, I can see what Yay!
David, why don't you get some of the ones on?
Someone tickle me! Thanks.
Tickle me, wrangle me.
Yeah, and Mommy has that. Cool. Mommy, you call Will Roxy Ring Junction kind of look like. But this is Roxy Ring
Okay.
and Roxy Ring.
Here, should we put those, David? David,
Here.
want me to line those up in the box here?
Give mommy some of the wrapping paper,
Line them
Aubriana.
up there, okay.
David. Hey, present.
Hey.
Okay.
He's going towards the back.
Yeah. Hey, why don't you
David,
kind of get the front here?
Do the front.
Here, this one for you. Thanks. Oh, but first, I'm gonna open this first.
Who's that one from?
From like
Give Taven the other one that looks like that.
this.
Is no, that you're opening now, is there?
Here.
Don't say it, April Fool's Day. What is that? Can you check what I is? Oh, no copyright.
Who's this here to help open it?
Here, open that one while I do this.
Mommy, is that
That's from Mommy and Daddy?
Ethan from Mommy and Daddy. Thank you, Bobby
You're welcome, baby.
and Daddy.
You're welcome. Mwah.
What'd you get?
But
Oh, what? All right.
wobble. What? Wait, is that wobble? I'm gonna go over here.
Honey, those stay on this side. Go right there.
Oh
Grab
my
from the
gosh,
top.
You have a lot of those.
Baby,
You
grab
must
from the
have the whole
top.
set, huh?
No, I
Is
don't
it-
have all the stuff.
Oh, you don't?
But I got lots of chocolate.
Oh, I see.
Blue
Wow.
mushroom. Who is it?
Yeah.
Ooh, Santa. Ooh, great. This is from
Dave goes away after Christmas. Remember, he goes back to the North Pole today, and then presents come.
Yay!
Oh, look at that. Let me see that. Oh, that's a dinosaur?
Uh-huh.
It's kind of like cheeky chocolate,
Alright.
but cheeky cherries.
Oh, cute.
Yeah? You still like dinosaurs, don't you, Ariana?
Mommy, look.
Put him with your Legos over there.
One Lego.
Now open that box. I mean that.